Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, you will learn about the topic difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. So in this lecture, you will learn about the basic concepts and differences about the plant tissue and animal tissue. So let's start the lecture. Firstly, I will discuss about the plant tissue. So what is plant tissue? This is the tissue organization is targeted towards stationary habitat of plants, whether in animal tissues. Tissue organization is targeted towards mobility of animals. So these are the first basic difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. In plant tissue, tissue organization is targeted towards stationary habit of plants, whether in animal tissues, the tissue organization is targeted towards mobility of animals. So these are the first basic difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. The second difference about the plant tissue is, or in plant tissue organization is simple, whether in animal tissue organization is complex. Animals organization is complex, whether plants organization is simple. So these are the second basic difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. The third difference about the plant tissue is many of the tissues are dead. For example, cork. In plant tissues, many tissues are dead. For example, cork. Whether in animal tissues, most of the tissues are living. So these are the third basic concepts and the difference about the plant tissue and animal tissues. In animal tissues, mostly tissues are living. Whether in plant tissues, the tissues, many tissues are dead. For example, cork. So these are the third basic difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. The fourth difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue is the plant tissue growth is confined to certain areas, whether in plant tissues growth is not limited to certain areas. So these are the fourth basic difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. Means it means the growth is not limited to areas in animal tissues, whether the growth is limited to certain areas in plant tissues. The fifth difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue is, in plant tissues less maintenance energy required, whether in animal tissues more maintenance energy required. So these are the fifth basic difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. In animal tissues more energy required for maintenance, and in plant tissue less energy is required for maintenance. So these are the fifth basic difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. The sixth difference about the plant tissue is plants grow continuously throughout life, whether after reaching maturity stage animals do not show further. So these are the basic six difference about the plant tissue and animal tissue. In animal tissue, after reaching some stage of life, like in maturity, animals do not show further, whether plants continuously grow throughout life. So in this lecture, you will learn about the basic six differences about the plant tissue and animal tissue. I hope you are better understand. Okay, Allah Hafiz.